Draganfly is pleased to announce that we have secured our first orders of the Commander 3XL with the U.S. military. While Draganfly has a history of supporting and working in the defense industry, these are the first orders for the Commander 3XL platform with the U.S. military. The Commander 3XL drone, often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of drones, is a high-endurance, weather-resistant, multi-rotor UAV engineered for easy assembly and swift deployment. This technology offers multiple configurations for radio equipment, including point-to-point and cellular links, and excels in missions, even in rain and snow, making it the ideal choice for military and government services. The Commander 3XL will help meet mission objectives, ensuring operators are able to navigate through unfamiliar terrain with confidence and accuracy. Securing these orders stands as a substantial milestone for both the company and the Commander 3XL platform.